Activision Blizzard reporting EPS of 31 cents versus the 25 cents that analysts had expected. $1.26 billion on the top line versus the $1.24 billion that the street had forecasted. Turning to Q2, Activision is looking for 23 cents. That's versus expectations of 37 cents. $1.15 billion versus an expectation of $1.28 billion. They are reaffirming their guidance for the year, calling for $210 on $6.3 billion. That does come below at least what analysts have been looking for. Companies also formally saying it is pursuing a new professional esports league based on its Call of Duty franchise. No launch date here yet, but it has already sold 5 teams. Remember, they already have an esports league based on their game Overwatch. I did have the chance to catch up on the phone with the company's CEO, Bobby Kotick, about the quarter. One question I had was about that Blizzard division. Investors are going to see, Activision beats, King beats, but Blizzard does come in light of expectations at $344 million. Bobby Kotick simply telling me that time spent per player is up, meaning how much time fans spend on Activision, Blizzard, and King. He says we did double down on our franchises. Blizzard, spinning ahead, he tells CNBC, has the best pipeline he has seen. More broadly, about that pipeline, analysts will call out that is a potential challenge for the company, just that it has a relatively thin pipeline of new games for this year. On that point, Kotick saying, listen, we invest for the long term, telling us all his pipelines across all his business units are, in his words, excellent, and that he has refocused resources towards his biggest opportunities. Also talked about Fortnite. That is another potential challenge for the game. Some analysts have said, they really think Activision Blizzard maybe didn't capitalize on that free-to-play battle royale genre. Kotick, having none of that, says we do offer free-to-play games. We're exploring that model across all our franchises, but he says we're going to be deliberate and thoughtful before rolling that out. Guys, back to you.